Hello, hello, hello. I have been wearing these braids for quite a few days. I shampooed my hair and then I braided it. I think I shampooed it and then I braided it. And then one day I was working in the smoke. When I say working in the smoke, I mean picking and burning trash out in the country. So I got in the shower that evening and I let the water run through my hair. And now, after I think 2 more days after that, I am taking my hair out because I have to go to a retirement party. And this just will not do. Just will not do. Yeah. But hello, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Subscribers, I hope that everything is going well in your life right now and that you're experiencing all the blessings that God had bestowed upon you. My cousin is retiring or has retired. I don't know how long ago it was that she retired, but her family is giving her a retirement party today. And it's supposed to be semi-formal. So I hope that I am not underdressed for this party. Of course, I'll show you my outfit. I have not put it on yet because I'm taking these braids out. Not only have I braided and banded my hair after shampooing, but I've also retightened the top of my hair in preparation for getting my hair retightened, the rest of my locks retightened on Tuesday. It is now Saturday. And if you remember from a previous video, I have retightened the top of my hair before. And I am just trying to make sure that I can control the amount of tension that's placed on my scalp in the thinnest part of my hair. As my top is the thinnest part. And yeah, you may say, doesn't look too thin to you. But yeah, it's not as dense at the top as it is in other parts of my head. I'm liking this look. The smaller the braid, the harder it is to take out. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. My 360, and then I'll show you my outfit for the day, my outfit of the evening, or yeah. it's a surprise party. We are all surprised that it's a surprise.
Come on, give it up, give it up. This is what the prize looks like. This is what the prize looks like. Give it up, give it up. Come on, Andy, your feet. Andy, your feet. Give her a round of applause. Come on. Come on. That's all right. Come on. Texting people. There's a lot of people here celebrating you today. Let's give another great big hand. They smile. Really tired, finally. She's like, woo, I am doing this. That's right, put your tiara on, put your sash. We're here, we're gonna have a great time on this afternoon. She's got a nice little surprise here. I know that she was looking around trying to see who was here, but she couldn't see everybody, so she's gonna be in for a treat. Thank you all so much for being here on this evening. We appreciate you taking your time to come celebrate with us on this evening. And we're gonna go ahead and get started.
It's amazing grace. God's grace. Oh, you made it this far. Made it this far. By the grace of God.
No, he okay.
I'm saying glad your mama down there. Younger than you. Yeah.
Everybody been around me. Pass.
I think really I enjoy coming to the things that are out in the country because you get to see so many people you haven't seen